Mountaintop EVOm Installation. Using a wet sponge, clean the top surface of the bed. Mountaintop roll covers are shipped in packaging that protects the components during shipping. It is a two-person lift to remove the roll cover components from the box. With the canister on an assembly table, remove the protective film. Use a finger to poke the wear strip from one end. And then pull the upper and lower wear strip 110mm out from the end of the side profile. Flip the side profile over and check the wear strip is past the machined edge. Take care to avoid the sharp edges of the side profile in this area. Remove the letter opening tool from its location attached to the underside of the rear profile. Apply thread locker to the canister mounting screws. Align the threaded blocks with the mounting locations in the canister's sides. Install screws using T30 Torx key. Repeat step for both sides. Push the wear strip back into the canister. Use the canister lid tool to depress the end of the wear strip and engage it into the canister end. Shut the lid. Install front corner foam seals. Ensure the backing tape is removed. Take the coil of foam and apply along the underside of the front of the canister. Remove the underside backing tape. Ensure the ends of the foam contact each other. Check the length of the drain tubes. Trim using scissors if needed. Attach the drain tubes over the canister outlet. Refer to the installation manual for drain hole positions. We recommend being prepared with two drill bits, a 4mm and a 32mm hole saw. The hole sizes may vary depending on the vehicle. Please refer to the installation manual. After drilling the drain hole, deburr the hole and seal exposed sheet metal with paint. Using a caulking gun, apply silicone to the front corners of the tub. Mist the top of the tub with a spray bottle. Centralize the cover on the tub. Visually line up the arrow mark on the inside of the rear corner with the front face of the tailgate. Referring to the image in the installation manual, pre-assemble the clamps and then mount them to the side profile. Install the clamps, tightening the fasteners hand tight only. Using a measuring tape, set the parallel and diagonal dimensions. If necessary, adjust the side profiles in and out and front and back. Tighten the clamp fasteners to the specified torque. Apply the paint protection patches to the tub. Location dimensions are in the manual for each specific vehicle. Drop the tailgate. Pull the carpet out from the canister. Slide the rear profile onto the carpet. Apply foam seal to the underside of the rear cap. Mount the rear corner caps to the cover. Install the clamp covers. To open the cover, pull down the rear red cable loop and push the rear profile towards the front of the vehicle. Use the pull strap to close the cover. If the cover will not start to close, it may be latched in the open position. To release the cover, pull on the red cable loop while moving the rear profile towards the rear of the vehicle. Then close completely using the pull strap. Thank you for watching the installation of EVOm.